To log out of the DoorDash app, the process is simple and consistent across both iOS and Android devices. This action terminates your active session, clearing cached data and requiring your login credentials for future access. For iOS, tap the profile icon at the bottom right, scroll to Account, then select Log Out and Confirm. On Android, tap the menu icon 3 lines at the top left, go to Account, and select Log Out, followed by Confirmation. Logging out is a crucial security step, especially on shared devices, to protect your personal information, payment details, and order history from unauthorized access. The app prompts for confirmation to prevent accidental logouts, and the entire process typically takes less than a minute. Logging out after each use of the DoorDash app significantly enhances your account security. Experts recommend this practice to prevent unauthorized access, particularly if you use the app on a public or shared device. Failing to log out can lead to risks such as unauthorized orders and potential misuse of your payment information. DoorDash may automatically log you out after a period of inactivity, approximately 30 days, but relying on this feature alone is not advisable. Regularly logging out also helps resolve minor app glitches by resetting the session. In a growing trend towards enhanced security, future app updates might include AI-driven automatic logouts based on suspicious activity detection. Prioritize logging out as a fundamental aspect of your digital hygiene to safeguard your DoorDash account and personal data.